Hello and welcome to StorifyMe tutorial. Now, if you followed one of our previous videos, you know it's time for us to show you how to publish your first story. Now, in story creation process, we created this as a sample, but we will delete it now. Yes, remove this slide and let's just add a duplicate to show you additional option of auto advance. You can either enable or disable auto advance and set delay in seconds, after which the next story will load. So you can preview both stories before going live and you can see how the second story transitions, or the first story transitions to second story right here. Now, if you like how the story looks, we will just remove this slide. You can go and share your story. Go to publish story and make sure that the publish status is toggled. Now, you can change the title of your story. We obviously won't gonna do that now. You can set up proxy URL, and what's important is to add SEO description. So after this, just add SEO author and what type of content is this. Now, once this is done, you can set up language, which is super important for geo-targeting and language targeting later on. Now, check your story tags once again and make sure that the tags are the same as the ones in the widget you want and have on your website. Now, when this is done, you can play around with posters and see how your story will be previewed and loaded when you share it via link. And if you like everything, go to sharing. Now you can disable or enable story sharing, which means that your audience can either reshare your story or not. If you disable story sharing, this icon will obviously disappear from your story. Now, you can also share the channel you want the story to be shared. And if you're all right with all the setup here, you can go on and customize your story even further. Now, you have custom Google EMP code and you have a custom code for your web story. Now, when all of this is done, just go and click save. You will get two type of URLs. The first one is your custom story URL and the other one is EMP. You can also share your story on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, or you can download your stories as video or as a zip. Now you can also copy this link or create a QR code from both of these links. If you don't want to share your story via link, you just want it on your website, you just have to make sure that the widget that is active on your website has the same tags as this story in here. Now, if it does, you're all set. Congratulations on your first published story.